Arabica it's a unique concept that we introduced to the Bicolano and particularly in Naga City. It's a Middle Eastern and Mediterranean coffee shop and restaurant where we have a unique menu. Lebanese style shawarma, Gulf cuisine like biryani chicken, kabsa with all ingredients and all spices are coming all from abroad. We have one of a kind style of Arabian smoking. It's called shisha. It's actually flavored with apple, with lemon, with mint. We have the kebab. We are baking our own bread, our own Arabian style bread every day. It's fresh. We also introduce some of the cuisine of my home country from Tunisia. We have some sizzling Tunisian style. We have some kind of frying Tunisian style, and lately we have launched a lunch promo. It's from 10 o'clock until 2 p.m. It's more into grilled chicken, Tunisian style, with a lot of variety of rice, and it's very affordable. It's only 85 pesos. Arabica actually, it's running for 5 years. We are still introducing a new culture, new concept, new taste, and well, luckily, Bicolano have accepted it and they like it. Arabica actually is located in Basilica Road, just few meters before Basilica, and we are inviting all Nagueño and Bicolano in general to stop by, check it out, check the very unique concept and very unique design, and also enjoy our very unique food. You can also visit our Facebook page, Arabica Carthage, and just hit like.